So you are thinking about moving to the Las Vegas, Nevada area, and you are considering the Henderson area, and you want to find something under that $600,000 price point. Well, in today's video, we're going to show you exactly that as far as this property tour. And as we always like to say on our channel, let the show begin, because we're getting after it right now. If this is your first time to our channel, make sure you subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so that you can be alerted of any of our new videos. In today's video, we're going to take you on a beautiful property tour. We are out here in Central Park. This is a large park that's just been built out here in the Cadence area. Central Park, like the New York City Park, but yet not like the New York City Park. But nonetheless, Central Park here in Henderson, Nevada, and we're gonna step into this beautiful property that is about 1,711 square feet, and I can't wait to show you this beautiful property, and it's fantastic in regards to budget price. It's gonna keep you under $600,000 in regards to the base price on the new property, because it is a new construction. And with that, let's enjoy this beautiful property tour. It is a hot one, it is a hot one, it is a hot one. Hey guys, we are out today at the Harmony Homes, and I just wanted to take you guys into this 1711. It is a townhome, as you guys can see. There is an attachment as far as the garage in the center of the property. Okay guys, so we are out here in the Cadence, the Henderson area. We are looking at today's Harmony Homes, the Quail crossing, and this is going to be plan 4, which is about 1,711 square feet. So just to clarify, with townhomes, it means that you're going to be sharing a particular wall, and it looks like the share may happen in regards to your garage possibly being attached to the side of this particular unit here. So you could be splitting that. That could be completely yours, all that kind of good stuff. But we'll get you inside and we'll show you this beautiful property. Stick around with us, guys, until the end of the video. We'll go over all the stats and the information regarding this particular plan, as we just said, square footage, bedrooms, pricing, etc. But for now, let's just go through and enjoy the plan 1711. Stairs. Really nice open floor plan. I say the ceilings are probably 8 feet. I love the upgrades that they've done to this particular model. Backsplash, love the hardware. This is more than likely going to be your garage area. It was locked. We have a soft water loop or tankless over there, which is great. I believe this is a 5 cooktop. You just have this middle griddle, if you will. Really cool cooktop. Microwave, of course. Dishwasher. We'll have to check out their appliance package. Usually comes with, of course, the stove, dishwasher. Other things that may not be included are going to be your refrigerator and your washer and dryer. Usually are not included in your appliance packages. This is a townhome, so again, you're not going to have too much of a large yard scenario. And this is could be the pantry area, but it looks like they're using it as the electrical kind of space. That's incorrect in regards to pantry area, because of course your pantry area is there. And let's take you upstairs. Love a lot of the fixtures that they've already done with this particular property. Back towards the front door. Nice open loft at the top of the stairs. You have your laundry area or laundry room. You have a shared dual sink for your 2 bedrooms. Let's take you to the secondary bedroom. And as we take you into the primary bedroom, after we've seen these, we just saw your first and secondary bedroom. We're going to take you into the primary. We'll start talking to you about the beautiful stats on this townhome. As we said earlier, we do have our laundry room here. Again, washer dryer tends not to come with some of the new homes, and refrigerator. And going into the primary. Thank you for hanging around with us here at the end of the video. Walking into the large primary bedroom area. Board batting there. And your real estate agent that you'll reach out to in regards to allowing us to assist you and help you with these beautiful properties. And a wonderful dual sink as well. Sort of your own WC or commode area with the window. That's really nice. Maybe a 1/4 inch in regards to your countertop. Now with this particular model, square footage again is 1,711 square feet. We do have a 3-bedroom. We're standing in the primary, 2.5 bathroom with a great room. Of course, that beautiful kitchen island downstairs in the pantry. Your laundry will be upstairs with the loft area. It does come with a 2-car garage. There is an option to turn this bedroom into a 4th, or this loft area into your 4th. But you're getting all of that with $249 a quarter in regards to your HOA, knowing that of course we have 4 quarters. We're looking at probably $1,000 almost a year. So just take that 1,000, divide that by 12. That would give you your monthly as far as the HOA is concerned with. And you get all of this beauty for a base price of around $395,990. And they do have options in regards to using their lenders. And they do have a waiting list on this particular townhome as well. But any questions in regards to this beautiful property, please make sure you reach out to us. We'd love to make sure that we get you here. Again, guys, with everything that's happening litigiously, new rules, etc., happening with NAR, it is very pertinent and beyond important that we make sure we, as your real estate agent and team, accompany you on your first visit so that we can have the ability to represent you and get you the best scenarios on this beautiful property. So with that, guys, and glad that you enjoyed the video. And if there's any questions, concerns about this, please reach out to us. We'd love to be of assistance, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.